last night, and so it's chilly out there right now. And it's not going to warm up again until next week. But so he's kind of running through the house. He's videotaping him right now. And that thing, it's loud. I mean, you just push it and it sounds just like a little lawnmower engine going to town. And it has a little railroad bubble solution in there, and all the bubbles.
Slow down, Riley. Slow down.
Oh, you saw it. Oh, yeah.
Get it, Ryler. Get it, big boy.
Yeah, I let him watch Sesame Street and all the little television children programs. I mean, he takes right to it. You can tell he's paying attention. Learning his numbers and his colors and all. And he's become quite the little conversationalist these days. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Quite excited. Compared to Bailey's singing, she was talking and from the day she was born, she's been talking.
The day she come out.
She's still going strong. Oh, goodness gracious. Been sitting here videotaping this conversation. Bailey's talking with her dad. But,
do you have to get on Bill?
You know, I think that I know the shirts.
What you got, Riley?
In his midsection. So, what I'll probably do is, he can wear like a 24-month without much trouble. But what I'll
what
do
you got, Riley?
is I'll add like a little strip of elastic on each side of his waistband. She was so long and just she needed the length, for the shirts, but for two-piece outfit or whatever, in order for her to be able to wear pants with a shirt, I had to sew in a little piece of elastic so that pants wouldn't fall down. Do the same thing with Ryan. But they were just precious. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. They were just, all those clothes that you sent me were just precious. So thank you very much. We will definitely put them to good use.
You through mowing?
Yes. Yeah. I mean, he doesn't have a